I'm Stella Pulo, and my last name is Maltese because this is where my family comes from. And I'm from New York. I was born in Australia. I've lived in New York for 22 years. And I've developed a one-person show workshop, and that's what I'm bringing here. I had this idea of writing and performing your own one-person show that fits in hand luggage. You don't need a fancy background and expensive props and costumes. You just need what's necessary to tell your truth and to do your work. So this workshop evolved, this masterclass evolved, and these wonderful actors, each of them came with a seed idea for something that interested them to write, explore and perform. I started with where they were at. It's their workshop. I'm guiding their idea into fruition, I hope. And I've wanted to see what they've had to offer, what they bring. That's the other thing I'm loving, is the strength of each of them. They don't just say yes to what I suggest. If it doesn't work for them, they don't do it. And that's what I'm really pleased about, because sometimes their ideas are a lot better than mine.